If you're a small business owner, you know it's important to market your business in order to attract new customers. But if you are new to digital marketing, you may not know where to start or what pitfalls you need to avoid. After working with thousands of business owners across the globe, I can tell you the same mistakes are being made by most business owners. These mistakes diminish their credibility, cost them customers, and unfortunately, waste time and money. But they can all be avoided. I have 11 mistakes new business owners make with digital marketing and how you can avoid all of them. Number 1, not defining their target audience. One of the most common mistakes that new business owners make is failing to define their target audience. Without a clear understanding of who your ideal customer is, it will be difficult to create effective marketing campaigns. So you want to define your target audience and create buyer personas to help you better understand their needs. Then you can use this information as the foundation of all of your marketing efforts. Mistake number 2, not having a solid marketing strategy. Another mistake that new business owners make is failing to develop a solid marketing strategy. Without a well-defined plan, it'll be difficult to set goals and to measure your success. Take the time to develop a detailed marketing strategy that includes both short-term and long-term goals. When you develop a solid marketing strategy with both short-term and long-term goals, it's going to help you stay on track and be able to measure your success over time. Mistake number 3, not investing enough in SEO. Many new business owners mistakenly believe that they can save money by skimping on SEO. That is search engine optimization. However, this is a mistake that can end up costing you dearly in the long run. Search engine optimization is an essential part of any digital marketing strategy and should be given the attention that it deserves. You want to invest in SEO and make sure it is a big part of your digital marketing strategy. If you need help getting started, check out my SEO for Beginners guide. Even if you decide to outsource all of your SEO, you really should understand at least the basics of SEO strategy so that you can make an informed decision. Mistake number 4, not creating compelling content. If you want your marketing campaigns to be successful, you need to create unique and compelling content that resonates with your target audience. Whether you're writing blog posts, creating infographics, or producing video content, make sure it's high quality and informative. Otherwise, you'll risk losing potential customers. So you want to create compelling content that resonates with your target audience. Think in terms of edutainment. That is, that educates and entertains your audience. See what contents your audience engages with most and make more of that type of content. Look to see what content your competitors are making that is popular and add this type of content to your mix too. Mistake number 5, not promoting your content. Creating great content is actually only half the battle. You also need to make sure that it gets in front of your target audience. There are a number of ways that you can promote your content. And this includes social media, email marketing, and even some paid advertising. You want to experiment with different tactics and see what works best for your business. You'll be able to measure your results and see what's working and what's not. And there are plenty of free ways to promote your content, so don't be afraid to experiment with some of these free opportunities before paying to promote. Mistake number 6, not tracking your results. Another common mistake that some new business owners make is failing to track their results. And without data, it's going to be impossible to know what is actually working and what isn't. When you use analytics tools to track your website traffic, your conversion rates, and other key metrics, you'll have valuable information that'll help you fine-tune your marketing strategy. For your website, tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console will give you priceless information about your website traffic. For SEO, you can use tools like SEMrush or Ubersuggest to learn more about your keywords and your search engine ranking, and you can use the insights in each of the social media platforms to see what content is working best on social. Mistake number 7, not putting a call to action on everything. If you want people to take action, you have to give them a clear call to action. Whether you want them to sign up for your email list, download a white paper, or make a purchase, you want to make sure that your calls to action are prominently displayed on everything. You want to place a clear call to action on every page of your website. Make it easy for visitors to know exactly what you want them to do, and then make it easy for them to take that action. You want to use strong verbs and make your calls to action stand out from the rest of the content on the page. Mistake number 8, not building an email list. An email list is one of the most valuable assets that a business can have. Email marketing allows you to stay in touch with your customers and your prospects, and it gives you a direct way to promote your products and services. If you don't have an email list, now is the time to start building one. So you want to start building an email list as soon as possible. Include a sign-up form on your website, offer a lead magnet, something of value in exchange for an email address. Then you can start sending out regular emails to your list, promoting your products, your services, and your content. Mistake number 9, not leveraging social media. Social media is a powerful tool that should be leveraged as part of your digital marketing strategy. However, many new business owners make the mistake of using it solely for self-promotion and thinking that magic will happen within the first week of posting. And while it's important to promote your brand on social media, you should also use it to build relationships and connect with your target audience, and realize that social media is a long game. So be sure to use social media to build relationships and connect with your target audience. Share interesting and useful content, engage in conversations, and be responsive to comments and questions. Avoid using social media solely for self-promotion. Focus on providing value and building relationships. Mistake number 10, not having a mobile-friendly website. In today's mobile-first world, it is essential to have a website that is optimized for mobile devices. According to Zippia, the average American checks their phone 96 times per day, or once every 10 to 12 minutes. That we actually touch our phone over 2,000 times a day and unlock our phones 150 times on average. And that is a lot of time spent on mobile devices. So if your website is not mobile friendly, you risk losing so many potential customers. Make sure your website is responsive and easy to navigate on all devices. So use a responsive design for your website. You can then use Google's mobile-friendly test tool to see how your website fares. And if your website is not mobile-friendly, you really need to make the necessary changes to ensure a good user experience on all devices. Mistake number 11, not seeking professional help. Finally, one of the biggest mistakes that new business owners make is failing to seek professional help. While there's a lot that you can do on your own, sometimes it's best to leave it to the experts. Hiring a digital marketing agency can be a great way to get the results that you need without having to do it all yourself. So if you're not getting the results you want from your digital marketing efforts, seek professional help. Hire a digital marketing agency or even a digital marketing coach to assess your situation and provide guidance on how to improve your results. You do not have to do everything yourself. You can get some help from the experts when you need it. And you really can grow your business with digital marketing. And by avoiding some of these common mistakes, you will be well on your way to success with your digital marketing efforts. And remember, you do not need crazy tech skills, buckets of cash, or a dedicated staff to market your business. In fact, you don't even need a lot of time. What you need is to be smart, and digital marketing is definitely smart for your business. Do you want to know if your business is marketing smart? Take the Smart Marketing Quiz right here and find out if your marketing is smart.